how to do AC ventilation cleaning professionally, not simply professionally. Please come with me.
Many people think car AC is just for cooling, but what if I tell you what you are breathing inside your car is not always clean air? Over time, dust, dirt, moisture, and bacteria get inside your AC vents and ducts. Every time you switch on the AC, all these particles come directly into the air you and your family breathe. This can cause bad smell, continuous sneezing, allergies, throat irritation, and for children or sensitive people, it can even affect breathing. At Unique Shine Car Care, we take this seriously. We provide professional AC vent cleaning using safe and effective methods that remove dust, bacteria, and odor from deep inside your AC system. This is not just a surface clean, this is a complete internal cleaning for healthier air. After proper cleaning, you will feel the difference immediately. Fresh smell, better cooling, and most importantly, clean air to breathe. Your car is like your second home, so why you compromise on the air instead? Take care of your health, take care of your family. Visit Unique Shine Car Care today and breathe, clean, drive fresh. Thank you. See you soon.